Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you if your PC or laptop is keep crashing or freezing inside Windows 11. So there is a setting right here. Just go to the start menu and simply type settings, and after that in the left hand side corner of the screen you will see this option of system. Simply click on that and then drag down and you will actually see this option of about. Simply go to this and then after you click this you will see this option appearing if you drag down, advanced system settings. So simply go to this option and after that you will actually see this option of settings. Simply click on that, and after clicking on that you just need to untoggle this option, which is automatically restart. By default it will be checked. Just uncheck this option, and now inside this drop down section you will see write debugging information. This would be selected small memory dump 256 kilobyte. So from here you just need to select complete memory dump. So just select this option. So what this option does, it actually completely wipe out or reset every memory which is there inside your PC. It resets everything. That's why it fixes the issue. Just untoggle this option first of all, automatically restart, and then select from here complete memory dump. After you click this, now simply click the OK button and you will get this warning that the changes you have made required you to restart your computer. So just restart your computer after making these changes. Click on the restart now button to restart your computer, and this will fix your issue very easily. So just do this setting and it will fix your issue. So also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.